Hey everyone! Today, let me show you how to turn sketches into a detailed AI art with Leonardo.Ai. Let's get started. First, visit Leonardo.Ai and log into your account. Then here in the dashboard, click on the Canvas editor. Then here, upload your sketch. Click Upload Image and choose your hand-drawn or digital sketch. Place it on Canvas. Then here, add a prompt. Type a detailed prompt describing your vision, like this example here. And you can also adjust the settings like the strong, guidance, scale, and select a model. Then hit Generate and let the Leonardo AI transform your sketch into a detailed AI art, refined within painting or remix until you're satisfied. And click download and show off your AI enhanced masterpiece from rough sketch to a stunning AI art in minutes. And that's the magic of Leonardo AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.